Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Tell me how you're doing in the comment section. Today, I'll come up with a video regarding Raksha Bandhan, the festive mode. How the sister tied Rakhi to her brother, and how they said, and how the facial features and besides scenery. I'll picturize that. And this is my new channel. Please subscribe and support and watch till the end. And let's get into video. In this picture's queen, a delightful table unfolds as we capture the essence of a heartwarming moment between a sister and her brother. The setting is imbued with serene beauty as a radiant sun bathes the room in a golden embrace, casting gentle shadows that dance upon the floor. A plush mat occupies the center of the room, a symbol of the siblings' shared bond and the warmth of the relationship. Upon this mat sits a young girl, her anticipation evident in the sparkle of her eyes and the eager smile gracing her lips. Dressed in a traditional attire, her vibrant clothing echoes the vivacity of the greenery that surrounds her, and the whole picture shows that the rocky vibes. Outside the window, a breathtaking view unfolds, an expanse of lush greenery that seems to stretch to the horizon. Tall trees swag gently on the breeze of the window, and their leaves a rich tapestry of verdant hues. The sun, a benevolent orb, paints the landscape with its golden touch, imbuing every leaf with a radiant glow. Beside the girl, a small flower vase stands, a burst of colors against the room's muted tones. Delicate, the blossoms of a varying shades mirror the diversity of the emotions that this scene encapsulates, from the playfulness of the sibling commemorate to the heartfelt emotions that tie them together. As a girl readies herself to tie the Rakhi, her brother sits cross-legged before her, a mixture of a curiosity and affection in his expression. His gaze is fixed on her, a silent acknowledgement of the bond they share. The sun's warm rays filtered through the window, illuminating the rocky thread and lending it an eternal glow. The room seems to hold its breath in his pioneer movement, as if time itself is honoring the scared ritual taking place. The girl's nimble fingers delicately loop the rocky around her brother's wrist, each knot a testament to their enduring connection. The bond they share is as strong and unbreakable as the rays of sunlight that envelop them. As the Rocky is tied, a tangible aura of love and unity fills the room, touching every corner with its tenderness. The sun is expressing his way in the window, and all like a silent witness infuses the scene with a sense of hope and promise, casting its blessings upon this cherished relationship. This enchanting table captures not just a simple act of tying a Rocky, but a profound moment that speaks of tradition, love, and the beauty of sibling relationships. It's a scene that reminds us of the importance of family, the connections that bind us, and the simple joys that life offers. And there you have it, a vivid description of its scenery, and I hope you all are love it.